Hey guys, Kyle King, Metro 57. So the concept of apartment complex renovation or maintenance, a lot of it is hard for people to understand because if they're in the construction business, they build new. They get a new package of wood and they got a new roof and they're gonna build new and they new. And then there's other guys that are really specialized in doing add-ons, but then there's this part that's basically fixing broken stuff. And this is an example right here. This is a broken balcony that you cannot just patch. You have to replace it, which means I demo it. And what I have to do is basically close all this up. I have to be sensitive to the tenants, their belongings, not letting them out there while we're working. I have to work all this in a concise, small budget and then make sure we put it back out there as fresh and new, and it's gonna have a 10, 15, 20-year life. In the case of this is approximately about $4,000 worth of work. We're gonna tear the balcony off. I'm gonna get rid of the negative. It's hard for people to understand how to take the negative and go backwards, but you gotta get the negative gone and then build the brand new, and that takes a certain eye for that. It's something I've been doing for 10 years. It comes natural at this point, but I can see problems on buildings. The moment I step on them, I go, your gutters have too much stuff in it, you're running water back in the house, it's gonna tear up your structural, that kind of stuff. But it's because I've been doing this for 10 years. So if we can be of any help, give me a call. Kyle King, Metro 57.